Hello, welcome to my kitchen. I am so excited to have you join me. Tonight, I'm making homemade chicken noodle soup. It's amazing, and I have some, I guess, a tip for food prep. Hi, Tina. Hi, Danny. Hi, Yoli. I have a tip for food prep for my chicken noodle soup. Now this soup, I use one whole chicken. And what I do, you guys, is I bake the chicken. And once the chicken cools, I take all the meat off, I chop it up, and I freeze it in a big gallon freezer bag. So I've frozen the chicken. And it makes for a quick, easy, as you can see right here, I have all my chicken. What is that beep? I don't know what that beep was. Anyway, I have all my chicken right here. So this is chopped up, one whole chicken. Hi, Kelly. Hi, sweet friend. I hope you're feeling better today. Hi, Wendy. Hi, Jenny. Hi, Brenda. Okay, so what I have going right here is the perfect, I guess I should say, onion, carrot, celery, and garlic. I would call it the perfect trifecta, but it's not three things. It's actually four. So I have 2 carrots diced, pretty big ones. Hi, Liz. Hi, Monica. 2 pretty big carrots diced, 2 sticks of celery diced, and 1 whole clove of garlic, which it was a small clove, but I diced it up as well. And I've already had it sauteing, and I sauteed it in ghee. So ghee is clarified butter. If you're not sure about that, it's pretty much very rich, very amazing, but it has a high smoking point, and it really brings a good flavor. And I buy organic grass-fed. It's not unhealthy. So my tip for today to share is just some quick ways to meal prep, and that's what I do. Oh, Liz, I see your hearts. So my tip today is meal prepping by baking your chicken. So I really bake 2 chickens at once, let them cool, take the meat off, dice it up, freeze it. Then I have it, it's ready, it's easy to make. Hi, Crystal. Hi, Kristen. Hi, Brenda. You have the Trinity Plus friends. That's right. I have the perfect Trinity Plus garlic, the best friend, the BFF garlic. So I'm just sauteing this until it's soft, which I wish I could like push the smell over to you. It is amazing. And so I think that this is ready, feels ready to me. I'm going to turn this fire off, and I'm going to turn this fire on. My chicken is cold. It's not frozen anymore, but it's cold. So now I'm going to put in the broth. And if I really was super like awesome, I would take my chicken carcass after I baked it, and I would boil it down and get the broth, strain it and freeze it. But I just seem to, I mean, I've done it before, but I don't know. There's just something about like once I have peeled all the meat off the chicken and waited for it to cool enough to do it, by that time, I'm honestly just sick of it. And I think if I boil it, it's usually in the evening. So if I boil the chicken, then I have to wait for it to cool in order to freeze it. And it's too late. So I just don't do it. Which probably isn't good, because I'm sure that it would be so much healthier for my family if I would do it. And that's just something that you would need to start early, like on a Saturday if you were going to meal prep. So right now I'm using 2 boxes of chicken stock right here. So my chicken would taste so good because I baked it. Okay, that's it. 2 boxes of chicken stock. I set 3 out here. If I had my big stock pot, I would probably use 3. So in goes my veggies right here, my trifecta plus its BFF garlic. So good. Hi, Jennifer. Hi, Val. Hi, Shelly. It does sound good right now because it's so cold out. And yes, Ashley, you said it. It's cold. And I just thought, I really think that some chicken noodle soup would sound so good and really hit the spot. So here I go. Okay, you guys, comment and share this video and you go in a drawing to win a cast iron skillet from me. I use it all the time. I love it. I talked about it last week, and I really don't want to sit here and scrape all this out because I think when I scrape a pan on Facebook, it sounds so loud and like, stop, Patty. So I'm trying not to just really go crazy with getting all that out of there. Okay, so look what we have now. Can you see that? I think you have a pretty good view tonight. So amazing. Yeah, I would say so. Now what we're going to do is I have frozen corn. I'm not going to add the whole bag. Thank you, Yonda. Hi, Amanda. Hi, Michelle. I hope you're feeling better. I've seen a lot of people on Facebook really not feeling well lately. Okay, so that's about half of my bag, and this is a small bag. Now I'm going to do some frozen green beans, like that, half the bag. I'm going to stir that in. I just want you to see how easy this is. Truly, the hardest part is dicing the carrots, the onions, celery, and the garlic. And what is that? Nothing really. It's not too hard. And like I said, if you meal prep with baking your chicken, then your job is so easy at the end of the day to put the soup together. And this is really, really good. I promise you that. Okay, now this is the kind of noodles that I buy. They're the old-fashioned, I usually get the Amish brand of an egg noodle. And I usually get the little thin ones, but these are wide. So they're going in, and not the whole bag. I think I'm going to do like half a bag. Hi, Summer. Hi, Dawn. This is so good, you guys. You will love this soup. So in goes the noodles. I'm just going to do half a bag for now because these noodles, they get bigger and they take up a lot of your moisture. And so this is really good. And it goes in the refrigerator, and the leftovers are amazing. But you may have to add more chicken broth because the starch from the noodles make the soup, the juice itself, thick as it sits in the refrigerator. So I guess this is not, this is not a low carb meal because of these noodles. But I can tell you that this is something my kids love. It's so much healthier than buying a can of chicken noodle soup. Thank you, Kayla. You're so sweet. Hi, Amber. Woo! What did I just do? I slopped some out. I slopped it out of the pan. So I'm going to add now some salt and pepper. And this is my Celtic sea salt. I have some for cooking that I can just grab some out. So in goes the salt. Now I'm going to add pepper. How are you guys doing? Hi, Angela. I'm so excited to be here. I love coming live on Thursdays and just hanging out with you guys. It's so fun. It's like truly the highlight of my week. And I enjoy the comments. I just love it. So in goes the salt and pepper. And I'm not... If you follow me, then you know I love pepper and I love ground pepper. It's really just, it brings the flavor. You could smell it. Okay, so I'm going to stir this up. I won't be able to serve this to Eddie tonight with you guys because obviously it has to cook. And you'll know when it's done because the noodles get soft and it doesn't take very long. It really doesn't. But my carrot, or not my carrots, but my corn and my green beans were frozen. And my meat, my chicken, was cold. So it just has to sit here a little bit. Yeah, we got to lose the Christmas fluff. That's no lie. Whew. But on a cold day, I've got to satisfy my kids. And this is amazing. So good. And if you've been sick, like a lot of you that I've been seeing, this hits the spot really well. So you should totally try this. I am going to have this recipe on my website by tonight. So by bedtime, this will be live on my website and you will be able to catch the recipe. My website is pattyplunk.com, Patty with an I, pattyplunk.com, and that's where you'll find the recipe. This is truly amazing and you will love it. Hi, Shannon. Welcome to my kitchen, you guys. Thanks for hanging out with me. Hi, Amy. What are you guys up to right now? I always wonder when I'm standing here, like, where are you? What are you doing? Are you driving? Are you at home? Are you at work? What is going on out there? I have to wait just a little bit. Where are you going, Ed?
Nowhere.
Nowhere. Eddie's just waiting. Normally, I let him taste it, but this is going to have to cook for a little bit. So, you guys, comment and share, and you go in a drawing to win a cast iron skillet from me. So, Debbie, you're on the treadmill getting hungry. I love that. That's where I need to be, on the treadmill. Michelle, you're at home. Hi, Lori. I see you. Amy, you're going to love it. When you do make it, you are going to love it. It's amazing. You guys know why I'm here. It's because my real passion is my family. And I just want to share with you guys that, you know, you can make your home your favorite place to eat and your favorite place to be. And it's not hard. See how easy this was? It's just not hard. And that's why I'm here, just to share that. So also, you may not know this, but I have a YouTube channel now. You can like and subscribe that. It's just Patty Plunk. I am trying to be a really good Instagrammer user. So you can follow me on Instagram. So Amy, you're making a Lego walrus with your son. I love that. That's probably really hard. Hi, Kelly. I see you, Kelly Cody. Hi, Rose. So this, what I'm going to do now, like I'm going to stir this around so you can see how hearty this chicken noodle soup is. And like I said, the leftovers tend to get thick. And so when you heat them up, you just put some more chicken broth in there. And I just didn't want to make it in my big stock pot. I want to make it in a pot that you guys can see. And normally I would give this cast iron Dutch oven away, but they're out right now. They've been out of cast iron pots online for like 3 weeks, I guess, because of Christmas. So this, Shannon, I typically use the Amish noodles. They're, I don't know, this it says Mrs. Miller's homemade noodles, and that's just probably what they had when I was at the grocery store at the time. Hey, Glinda, how are you? Yes, Michelle, you should make this. It's so good and really easy. Hi, Frida. Hi, Jenny. If you're watching with your mama, hi to Jenny. So you guys, this recipe, amazing. It will be on my website tonight, pattyplunk.com. And you can make this weekend. Michelle, would be an awesome time. Anytime. Anytime. It's quick and easy. And I tell you, if I have a cold or if I just don't feel good, this soup is amazing. And you can do it. I mean, I baked my chicken and took the meat off the bone and then chopped it up and froze it. That's what I did. And that's what I do. I just keep it in the freezer. So when I want to make this, it's quick, because typically my kids are like, I'm hungry now. And because I homeschool, they're here all day, I've got to be able to just, make something quick. And that's why I do that. But you could boil your chicken and then you would have your own broth. And I've done that too, but it's just not fast. And so that's why I wanted to share with you how I did this chicken. But you could totally boil it, and you could just peel, take the chicken out, take the meat off, put the meat back in, and then add your other stuff to the soup, and it would be amazing. But instead, I used chicken stock like this. So if you're just joining me, comment and share this video, and you go in a drawing to win a cast iron skillet from me. I love that. They are amazing. This cast iron skillet my mom gave me, and maybe I should show you guys how to clean it, because that used to be a struggle for me, but I've learned how to clean it, and it's like super easy, and I love it, and it keeps my cast iron skillet smooth on the inside. Smooth and shiny. Anyway, you guys, thanks for hanging out with me. Hey, Ed, maybe you should come over here and say bye with me. Normally, I let Eddie,
Shucks, I don't get to try tonight?
No. Well,
okay.
You do, just not for everybody. But anyway, I love you guys. Comment and share. Thanks for hanging out with me. It's truly my heart to help you make your home your favorite place to eat. I love you guys. I can't wait to see you next week. Right?
Yeah.
That's all right.
Can't wait.
See you later.
See
Bye.
ya. Bye.
Thanks, Brenda. Oh, look at my hearts. I have hearts. I love the hearts.
Oh.
Bye, guys. Bye.